Thunderbird time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Thunderbird convertible. $390 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper. Headlight surrounds. Hood ornament. Chrome appears to be in showable shape. Car has had a repaint, and you will find imperfections here and there if you look in the paint close enough. I'll kind of try to point out a few as we go around, but I tell you what, not a lot on this one. There's a little spot up here where there's a touch up, and it looks like they've kind of touched this area right here. And is it a perfect match? No. But did they fix the scratch and what have you? Absolutely. I mean, this is a nice one to take you to any of your local cruise-in, roll-ins, local shows. You want to have some fun on a Sunday, jump in this one, put the top down, enjoy the weather. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, check out the underside of this car. This car was actually delivered originally to San Jose, California car to start out. Check out the still pictures. Look at the pans, look at the underside. Still looks like it's got original undercoating on it. And those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. You'll be able to see engine bay, the trunk with the deck lit up, the interior, everything on those still pictures. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the car straight, riding on white wall radials, Thunderbird wheel covers. Let's go right on down the side of this. Rear fender skirts, and you really don't see much for bubbling, anything like that above or in front or behind of the wheel wells, lower rockers. As you can see, looks good on the passenger side. Interior would be blue vinyl interior. That was the original color this car was produced with. Of course, center console, and you have your shifter on the column. Power window car, also power top. Power top does work. I have had it up and down personally myself. There is one little trick where I've seen where it got out of sync once, and they have it wired in the center console where you can actually raise the deck lid that way and then go back to using the power top button. But everything does go up and down. Like I said, did it myself. We're going to run it back up again and check out that top before this video is over. Now, what you got to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And if you have a question on that top, feel free to consult with the sales associate also. They've been informed on it, and also will know what the situation is on that. All right, let's check out the rear chrome bumper, if you will. Just take a look at that. And again, you can see in the trunk, in the interior, the engine bay, still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Here's another little spot, kind of as I was talking about, a little bit of touch up on it. Again, nothing major. Fender skirts on the driver's side, and again, look in front, above, and behind those fender skirts. Really isn't any bubbling. Remember, DSO was San Jose on this car, so I would guess it spent the majority of its life a little nicer weather. White vinyl top, and that is in nice shape. And again, we're going to run that up here at the end of the video before we wrap it up so you can get a look at that. All right, let's check out the vinyl in the rear seats. Pretty much free of rips, tears. Looks good back there. Front buckets, you can see a little repair right here has been done. Door panels. Go ahead and start this car up. This does have the slide away steering wheel also. What I'm going to do is put it in neutral. I'm going to start it up. You can see oil pressure gauge is coming up. amp gauge came up. I also noticed the fuel came all the way up. Now, the question is how accurate that is. It is showing a little over full now. Nice sounding 390. Take a look at the dash. FYI, power wipers, or excuse me, power wipers, power windows do work. And then speaking of wipers, wipers also will work. Of course, the wipers switch right here. Pretty stock looking dash. And take a close look at the passenger front seat, center console, rest of the interior. Door closes nicely on that. Let's see. There you go. A little rumble coming out of 390. Sounds good. I'm going to slip up here to the front. Let's pop the hood, take a peek at that engine bay, and then we'll check out that white vinyl top. There we go. First of all, look under the hood. Very clean and tidy. Power steering, power brakes. 390 V8. Listen how smooth that is. Don't hear any sounds or noises that you shouldn't hear in an engine bay, so that's always a good sign. Nice smooth running V8. Alright, I'm going to pause it one more time. I'm going to power that top up, and let's check out the vinyl convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the top up, and again, white vinyl, and nice shape as you can see. It's been replaced along the line, and it doesn't look like very long ago. Rear window clear, also in good shape. It is a power top, as mentioned before. It does latch up, fit nice and tight in the front, as you can see. There you go. So free of any rips, tears, holes. Going to serve the purpose keeping you dry or out of the sun, whichever one it may need to be. There you go, 1965 Ford Thunderbird convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.